Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to the fourth update for the Project Pan Roulette collab that Rebecca Morgan and Lexi originally started. I will link them both below. This is a collaboration project where we had a list of 50 items and we had to randomly generate. Most people did 6, I did 6, some people did 10, some people did less than 6. It's, you pick. You pick 6 categories or 6 like random prompts out of the 50, and then pick a product according to each one. The aim is to finish things, but obviously for some things you may just want to hit a certain goal, because this is a 5-month project, I think. Yeah, it's a 5-month project, so not everyone, you might not be able to finish something in 5 months, but you could have a goal. So, and it is rolling. So I have 2 empties this time, so I'm going to be rolling 2 more in. I have a cold. I feel like I keep getting colds these last few months. And when I have a cold, I can't think properly, so sorry if I'm scatty. But yeah, I have 2 empties. The first was something I drew in last month, and it's a hair care item. This was the number 4 High Performance Hair Care Smoothing Balm, little 30ml. This was my kind of hair product. This was something you just put into damp hair. You didn't have to blow dry it. You could just leave it, which is my hair. I leave it to air dry like 99.9% of the time. It is so rare that I blow dry my hair. So this to me is perfect because you just added like a little bit to your hair, worked it through like the ends, and it just helped maintain frizz a little bit. I don't feel like I get particularly frizzy hair. Like, I'm not having a good hair day today or yesterday. I washed my hair yesterday. Did I? Washed my hair Monday. It went well Monday, but then yesterday and today it's just not been a good headache. My mirror's there. That's what I was looking in. But I did like this. It had kind of a herbally scent to it, but it was nice. I don't know that I'd get this for myself. It was nothing like I feel like I needed, but I didn't hate it. And then for a product you bought because of YouTube, I went for my Sleek Storm palette, and I wanted to finish up 2 of the shades. Last time I finished up this shade and this shade, but I said because this shade had like so little in it when I pulled this palette in, I wanted to then finish up another shade, and I managed to finish this shade here, which was like a transition-y shade. Or I'd finished up these 2, like, I'd finished up 2. One of them, there wasn't a lot of product in it anyway, so I finished up another one, and I now count it as my 2 shades done. I feel like next year I'm going to work to get this palette out of my collection, because there's really only 4 shades left in here that I use, so I might as well try and get this out next year. But I'm happy that I've been working on this a bit more, because I do love this palette. I feel like I probably will repurchase it once I've used it up, because I do find with Sleek shadows, I think because they're mineral based, they do, when you've had them for a few years, they aren't as good. They become more powdery and like fallouty, but they're so pigmented. So love this palette. And then for my 4 products with progress, for a collaboration product, I've got my Sinful Colours Kylie Jenner Simple Shine Polish in Commando. Last time I was around this line, I didn't remark it last time because there was like hardly any progress, but now I'm down to here. I don't have a lot of this left. I don't think I'll have this done by the finale in January, but I'm going to keep working on this into the new year, and hopefully I'll get it done. I've got it on my nails now. I need to add the glitter that's in this project, but I haven't done that yet, so yeah, I'll probably do it tonight. But I have been enjoying this. It's just a nice, like, everyday nude, but it's not my favourite kind of nude. I prefer something a bit warmer or mauvier than this. Just like a basic nude. For products I don't reach for enough, it is this glitter polish. This is the Barry M Nail Paint and Jingle Bells. This was limited edition the other Christmas. I was here last time. I don't think you were able to see my lines. And now I'm down here. I've made a tiny bit of progress. My goal is to get it down to the bottom of the word paint, because when I started it was at the top of the word nail. My plan though, to get some good progress on it over the next couple of weeks, is I'm going to use it with a sponge. I'm going to put fake nails on for Christmas. I might even put them on a Saturday and then redo them on Tuesday. That's probably what I'm going to do. But I'm going to sponge it on, because then I'll get through a lot of this and it'll be super opaque and glittery and beautiful, and I won't have to worry about like actually removing it from my nails because it will be on fake nails. For a product you love, I picked my Primark PS Love Noir perfume. I don't know where I was last time, but I don't think made a huge amount of progress. I don't think I'm going to have this finished for the finale, which is fine because I just kind of wanted to kind of get some use out of this. I need to finish this up towards the beginning of next year. I have a backup of this now, and this one's just getting a little bit discoloured. It's so old, but I love it. It smells amazing. Oh, it's so sexy. But, you know, Christmas is coming up. I'm going out Saturday and Sunday, so I'll wear it then. I've got Christmas Eve, Boxing Day, Christmas Day, like, you know, all of the festivities to wear this. So, yeah. And then the final product with progress is a product you'll always repurchase. So I was using my Collection Lasting Perfection Lemon Concealer. I have taken the stopper out since last time, but it's not quite done yet. This will be on for the finale though. Probably be done by the end of the month. Maybe. We'll see. So I do now get to pick 2 more products to replace these 2. So I'm going to get my random number generator up, and I'm going to put in the numbers 1 to 48, because I know I said there was 50 categories, but I took out 2 of them because one was a product from Colourpop and the other was a product from NYX, and at the time I didn't have anything from NYX and I still don't have anything from Colourpop, so there was no point in me having those categories in. So first one we got was number 18, and that is a product you've used up before. And then number 20, I've got that one already. 29, a product in a palette. Okay, gonna find those 2, be right back. So for product in a palette, the Sleek Storm palette will be staying out, and I want to hit pan on this burgundy shade, because then next year I will try and finish up these 3 and the 2 browns. I don't know, I have a dip in the burgundy, but I don't think I'm close to, like, super close to pan, so I want to hit pan in this. I love burgundy shades this time of year anyway, so that'll be easy. For a product you've used up before, I'm going to use this Essence lip liner in Satin Mauve. I'm not going to mark it because I'm only using it for a month, but I would say I have like a cap's worth of usable product, because on my last one, and from my experience with these lip liners, you get to somewhere in the writing and the pencil bit falls out. So, yeah. I think I can use that up in a month. I can get through these ones pretty quickly. Well, my last one was the Satin Mauve I got through so quickly. So, yeah. I'm going to try and use that up. I hope you enjoyed this update. Let me know if you're doing this project too. I'd love to watch your videos. I love other people's panning videos. So yeah, that was this update. I think it was pretty successful. I hope you agree, and I hope you enjoyed it and give it a thumbs up. I think I already said that. God knows at this point. I'm so, I want a nap, but I can't because I've got to go to work. I need to snooze. Bless me. Okay. I'm going to go because I need to go. I'll see you all soon. Bye everyone.